Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to create and print checks in QuickBooks Online. Managing your business finances can sometimes feel like a daunting task, especially when it comes to issuing payments through checks. But don't worry. Today, we're diving into how you can effortlessly create and print checks using QuickBooks Online. This process is not only straightforward, but incredibly important for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. Whether you're paying vendors, handling contractor fees, or dealing with other business-related expenses, mastering this skill will streamline your workflow and ensure your bookkeeping is both efficient and precise. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to make this task a breeze. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the New button. This button is conveniently located at the top left corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various transaction options you can initiate. From this list, you'll select the option labeled Check. This is your entry point into creating a check transaction within QuickBooks. Now that you've entered the check creation screen, it's time to input all the necessary details for your transaction. This step is crucial, and paying attention to detail here will save you from potential errors later on. Begin by entering the payee's name. This could be a vendor, a service provider, or any other entity you're making a payment to. Next, input the date and the amount. Be sure to double-check these entries. Any inaccuracies could lead to financial discrepancies, which we definitely want to avoid. In addition to these basics, there's a memo field available. This is a handy spot to add any notes or context related to the transaction. Including such details can be incredibly helpful for future reference, making your records easier to review and understand when needed. Once you've filled out and thoroughly reviewed all the details for accuracy, it's time to move on to the next step: printing. Locate the Print Check button at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this will initiate the printing process, allowing you to produce a physical copy of your check for record keeping or distribution purposes. If this is your first time printing checks from QuickBooks, you'll encounter a printing setup wizard. This wizard is specifically designed to guide you through the initial setup process, ensuring that your check alignment and printer configurations are correct. Simply follow the prompts provided by this setup tool. It will walk you through various steps, such as aligning the check forms and ensuring your printer settings are optimized for check printing. This setup process is crucial as it helps prevent misalignment and wastage of pre-printed check stock, which can be costly. And there you have it. Creating and printing checks in QuickBooks Online can significantly simplify your bookkeeping tasks, keeping everything organized and professional. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your checks are issued accurately, enhancing your financial management processes, and saving you both time and potential errors down the road. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create and print checks in QuickBooks Online. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.